sweetheart. How are you? It's a good girl. You're okay. Good girl. Yes. Good bite. Lovely dark eyes. Good head. Pleasant expression. Nice long strong neck. It's okay. Good shoulder angulation. Okay. Good forechest. Good depth of chest. Oh, it's okay, honey. Well muscled. Good rear angulation. She's straight in the pastern. I would like stronger feet. Good top line. Let's get her off the table. There we go. Okay. All right. Straight down and back, please. Okay, and take her right around, please, right around. Is this good? Yep. Move soundly going away. Just a bit wide coming at me. Strong, smooth profile movement. Excellent. You're a good girl. Hey, sweetie. Hi, honey. Good girl. Good bite. Lovely head. Good expression, dark eyes. She's a bit straight in the shoulder. Adequate forechest. Would like a little more depth of chest. Very broad rear. Well muscled. Good angulation behind. Strong feet. Good girl. It's okay. Yes, you're fine. All right. Can you see her go down and back? Thank you. And take her right around, please. She is a little steep in the croup. Moves well going away.
Хорошее движение сзади.
Paddles coming towards me.
Разбалансированное спереди.
Profile movement is smooth and strong.
Движения в профиль сильные и плавные.
But I would like to see more drive from
Но
behind.
хотелось бы большего толчка.
Excellent.